A quick channel update. So basically, I was unable to post videos in the last 2 weeks, and I have planned to go for the OSCP exam after 4 5 months. And obviously, it will be a big challenge for me, and I have to work very hard for it. And my plan is currently I'll finish Black Hat Python, and there is a book called Python Essentials. So it's a short one. So after my part of Python is done, I'll start solving hack the box machines, TGNL's playlist, and I have to route a lot of boxes in Try Hack Me and a lot of other places. So, and I have to learn a lot of things before I go for the exam. So basically, after around 1 month, I'll start preparing for OSCP, and I'm doing it finally. And yesterday, I met my mentor for the first time, and it was really good to meet him because we have known each other since 1 year. But so that's all I have to say. This was a quick channel update, and regarding cybersecurity, I'll make some videos on Zeus CyberSec. Don't worry, and sorry for not uploading for such a long time. So I'll make some videos which will be longer, and I'll answer some questions. Like, people are asking me how long does it take to become expert and how much time do I have to give. So I'll give you the answer in those videos, and we'll also discuss about other certifications and all that. So it will be very helpful for you guys. And coming to my new channel Zeus, I haven't uploaded anything on it, but I'll be uploading very soon. And I'm thinking that it's better if I stick to English rather than Hindi. So I think I should upload English videos on my new channel. And in my new channel, it will be mostly for fun, but I'll cover everything, like suppose like facts, tech videos, what if videos, computers, programming, dark web, internet mysteries, everything. So basically, anything I'm interested in, I'll make 50-second videos, and it will be fun. Trust me, it will be fun. And this is what my plan is. And let me tell you that YouTube is just a hobby, and I was a bit distracted. I wanted to grow my channel, but the reality is it is not safe to make cybersecurity videos. Therefore, I won't be focusing on this channel. I mean, I don't want to grow this channel or anything. I'll just aim in sharing knowledge, and that's it. Even if a few people benefit from it, I will be very happy. And coming to my new channel Zeus, I want to grow it, but as I said, I'll do it only during my free time, and I'll focus on my studies. And my plan is to go for OSCP after like 4 5 months, and I hope I pass in my first attempt. But even if I don't, it's all right, guys. I mean, failing is not something bad, because you know that you have to work harder and you have to gain more knowledge. Rather than sitting blank, it's better than to fail. So this is what I think. So this is my plan. I have to prepare myself. I have a lot of things to learn, and once I am done with OSCP, my plan is I'll make a complete series for free, and I'll share it with you guys on how to prepare for OSCP and everything. It will be very detailed. And once OSCP is done, I'll try to find some, I mean, penetration testing roles in some companies, or try to enter the field, even if it is remote work. But the thing is, I really want to get into the field now, and I want to do some projects or something. I want to gain experience, real life experience. So this is one reason I went for OSCP, is because I want to get into the field. It's not necessary that you have to go for OSCP, but I wanted to stay prepared, because after just 1 year my college will end, and I will be a graduate, and this is it. I wanted to go for OSCP since a long time. It's really challenging, and I will learn a ton of things. So that is it. After OSCP, I want to get into the field, and after OSCP, I want to start learning reverse engineering. And I have a book, Secrets of Reverse Engineering. And the reason I didn't start learning reverse engineering after, I mean, currently I'm finishing Python, but I could have started with reverse engineering. But the thing is, it is a bit challenging, and the main thing is it will take a lot of time. It is a really fat book and it is a really advanced topic, reverse engineering. So this is the reason I'm planning to go for OSCP after 4 5 months, and once I'm confident and that's it, I learned a lot of things, and after OSCP I'll continue learning and I'll start learning reverse engineering. And let me tell you that this field is very big, and that's it. It's all about just learning, and that's all I have to say. And thank you for supporting me. I haven't been very active on my channel, but I have tried posting things on my community tab, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me. And videos will be coming soon. I'll make some videos on Zeus CyberSec, not regularly, but at least I'll try maybe once in a week or once in 2 weeks. But I won't be so inactive. And coming to my new channel Zeus, I'll make videos, and I want to grow that channel. So if you haven't subscribed to that channel, go and do it now. The name is ZEUS Zeus. That is now my main channel, and it will be very fun, trust me. So that's it. Signing out, Zeus.